Draping instruction for the barrier cardiovascular set from lnlycke Healthcare. An approach drape is used to cover the operating table, then place the lower vascular drape under the patient's legs. Unfold towards the feet. Remove all the release papers. Then apply the split as low as possible on the lateral side of the patient. Repeat on the other side. Place the integrated genital cover on the patient. Then drape the patient's feet with the foot covers. Place the 2 adhesive towels on the lateral sides. Note the direction of the pictogram on the thoracic drape. Remove the release paper. Place the drape centered on the patient. The upper edge of the incise film should be at suprasternal notch. Ensure that the adhesive film is securely attached to the patient and unfold the drape. Unfold the drape only once towards the feet. Keep legs free to enable possible removal of vena saphenna magna. Unfold the drape fully towards the head. When appropriate, unfold fully towards the feet. Draping is then completed. The drape includes integrated tube holders and pouches for safe and efficient instrument handling.